Hey guys, Paul from Net Audio here, and we're going to do a quick little touch-up video on our behind-the-seat subwoofer enclosures. We've shipped out quite a few of these, but it's hard as a manufacturer and as a professional to take a step back and say, hey, the people we're selling these to don't do this every day. We're going to go through some information about how our mounting kit works and the different stuff that comes with the enclosure whenever you get it. So what we have here is one of our empty enclosures, and this is what's going to come with all of them. The wiring, of course, will change depending on what your amplifier selection is that you picked. So we're just going to focus on the mounting hardware. You have this handy dandy couple pieces of wood, and then you have your bag full of hardware. In the hardware bag, we have our two metal brackets. We're going to use those. And then we have some screws. These screws are for mounting the brackets onto the bottom of the enclosure. On this piece of wood, what it comes with, and it's labeled, says passenger side, amplifier side. So this is your passenger side of your truck. This is where the amps are. And then it has the instructions. Set the enclosure flat on a table. All right. And set the template on the bottom. Well, if you do that, it's kind of crooked. These are 1 inch. These are your spacers. So set the enclosure up just to get everything flat and level. And this fits exactly on the bottom of the enclosure right here. Then your brackets line up right there. You use your supplied hardware. You mount the brackets. And you just screw those into place. It does not matter, which way this is flipped. It's going to do the exact same thing on the mounting hole. And then we give you a little bit of playroom. Get the brackets mounted on the bottom of the enclosure, and then you'll use the supplied bolt and a washer. These will bolt into the floor where the factory subwoofer enclosure would bolt. So if you have a factory subwoofer enclosure, you can use these, or you can use the factory hardware. If you don't have the factory enclosure, the holes are on the floor. They're just under a piece of pretty much sound deadening that's been painted over. Peel that off and you'll see the holes in the floor. And then we give you enough of a slot where you can put the enclosure in place, and then you can get the bolt started and then push the enclosure so that it's flat up against the back wall. So once it's flat against the back wall, you can hold it in place and you can tighten these down. They just need to be snug. You're not trying to you're not putting a freaking wheel on, This is pretty basic. Just get it good and tight, and then you're good to go. But that's it. We just wanted to go over real quick how to use all these different contraptions. The main thing is make sure that it's flat and level, and then it lines up just like that, passenger side, amplifier side. Pretty straightforward. So we'll be coming out with a little bit of tricks and tidbits like this as we go along. So if y'all have any questions or issues with installing your setup, definitely hit us up, ask us on this page, ask us on our other videos, give us a call, shoot us an email. You know how to get hold of us. Thanks, guys.